In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2482, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that all lawful spending gains reward from Allah the Exalted, except the wealth which is spent on construction. This includes all spending on lawful things which is free from excessiveness, waste or extravagance. Spending on construction which is necessary is not included in this narration, but the construction which is beyond one's needs is. This is disliked as spending on construction easily leads to waste and extravagance. In addition, the one who spends wealth on construction is less likely to donate charity and spend in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Also, this behavior often encourages a Muslim to adopt hopes for a long life, as the one who believes their stay in this world is extremely short will not waste energy and wealth on constructing a beautiful home. The greater one's hope for a long life, the less righteous deeds they will perform, believing they can always perform good deeds in the future. It also causes one to delay sincere repentance, believing they can always change for the better in the future. Finally, it causes one to dedicate more efforts to the world in order to create a more comfortable life for their supposed long stay in this world. Actively taking part in unnecessary construction occupies one's time, which prevents them from performing voluntary righteous deeds, such as fasting and the voluntary night prayer, out of extreme fatigue. It also prevents them from striving to gain and act on Islamic knowledge. Finally, in reality, taking part in unnecessary construction never ends. Meaning, the moment a person completes one part of their home, they move to the next until the cycle repeats itself. Therefore, Muslims should adhere to what is within their necessity in respect to all things, not just construction, so that they can avoid these negative consequences.